No, taser, taser, taser.
Ah! Oh! Oh yeah! Oh! Oh! Woo! Sweet baby Jesus. Oh my God.
Taser, taser, taser.
Steve Cowboy!
Let him down.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, sure.
That wasn't that bad.
Taser, taser, taser.
Oh, whatever it takes! Oh!
You're alright, you're alright. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Taser, taser, taser.
Oh God! Oh! Oh! Oh God!
Where's the thing?
Oh!
Go taser, taser, taser.
That boy!
You got this. There we go.
Breathe. You good? Breathe. Are you breathing? Alright, see.
Taser, taser, taser. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Taser, taser, taser.
You got this, man.
You got this. You're almost done. Oh! You good? Oh, yeah. Oh, I got dizzy.
All right, let's go. Let's do this.
Taser, taser, taser.
You're good. You're good. Do you need your inhaler?
Taser, taser, taser.
Not too bad. You're good. You're good. You're good. Oh.
You gotta use drive or
Hands thing, man.
Conrad, you ready?
Yes, Corporal.
Taser, taser, taser.
You got this. There you go. There you go. You're
You're good. You're good. Ah!
It's over.
Ah! It's over. Damn it. Woo! Woo!
Yes. Taser, taser, taser.
You're good.
Oh. Taser, taser, taser.
Oh, I missed.
It hit. It hit. I pray to stand by.
No.
Stand by. Yes. It did not hit.
No, my cats.
I'm not gonna hit your cat. All right, Preda, you ready?
Ah! No, no.
Taser.
Jesus.
That's called completed.
Knowing what you know now, now that you've been exposed to the taser, what was it like?
It was the worst workout I've ever had. A full body workout.
A full body workout?
Yes.
Were you, you just had a single exposure, right? You didn't get a double tap like the other guys?
Just a single exposure.
Just a single exposure.
Yes, sir.
Where were you hit?
I was hitting the lower back and my right thigh.
And then what did it feel like?
It just felt like you can't control your movements and you're all locked up.
You're all locked up.
Yes. You can speak for some people, but your muscles and everything else, you're locked up.
Locked up. Is there something that's happened to you in the past that you can compare the pain that you've just experienced?
Honestly, I would say broken bones, but I feel like your whole body would just be like a broken bone at that point. Like I've broken my collarbone before, but it's a whole body
So the
experience.
same pain level
Yes.
is like breaking a bone.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you think of the taser?
It would be a very effective tool for somebody who is not compliant.
Okay. And knowing what you know now, is it something that you are going to be carrying in your
Yes.
everyday gear?
I will be carrying this tool every day.
Okay. And have you been, I forget whether you were exposed to pepper spray prior to this or OC prior to this.
Yes.
A preference?
Definitely taser.
Taser over pepper spray?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Any day.
Any day.
Yes,
sir. So pepper spray was the worst, you do taser over pepper spray any day?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why is that?
The OC is lingering. For me, it affected me for a week, where the taser, you have the 5-second ride, you get sore after for a little bit, but you can jump back to whatever you're doing after a couple minutes.
Anything you want to say to somebody who's wanting to go into this particular profession right now?
Yes, absolutely. Definitely have your mental, physical, and emotional health aligned. Speak with your loved ones and make sure they're on board with whatever you're doing. That's going to be huge to have a support system. And just be ready to accept a lot of new knowledge.
Thank you, Cadet Morris.
Thank
Thank you very much.